Hi, my name is Mallory Gusrang. I'm doing this for Marketing Management Problems, or MAR 4824. Tableau in general is used as a data visualization tool. It's really good for business intelligence. So today we're looking at Cigar City's data. We used Excel sheet for the information. This is my first sheet. We're looking at the average rating of the beer style. You can see it's a lot of them, but it's set in descending order. So American Imperial Stout is the highest rated. And the lowest would be the European Export Dortmunder. Second sheet is a scatter plot of the average ABV and the average rating of the beer. Expand the screen for you. Okay. So here on the x-axis, I have the average ABV, and for the y, I have the average rating. So we can pick a point specifically, and we can see a rye beer at an average ABV of 797 has a rating of 3.9. And then the highest is American Imperial Stout, but has an average ABV of 11. And then the last sheet I created is a tree map. For this one, I used the average number of reviews and the reviewer, and the minimum reviews left had to be 200. So as we can see, this one, Bernard's, is the highest number of reviews at 335. And then we have others above 200 at least. And then here's my dashboard. I put on all my sheets that I created here. And so we can see if I click over on this form or the first sheet I created, that let's go to the top. So American Imperial is set as the best style of beer and in average rating. And so if I click this, you can see that in my second chart, the plot itself is pointed and it got rid of the rest of the information, so we can kind of see where it sits alone. But since the last scatter sheet didn't include the information on, and it was rather based on the reviewers, this doesn't include any information. So we can see if I pick another, you just escape from that. If I also pick New England IPA, we can also see where that is on the second chart. And so here's my interactive dashboard with my 3 sheets for marketing problems management. Thank you.